Well, hello and welcome back to the Connected One. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't as yet, please do subscribe down below. Well, today we're talking about money tree. Okay, why am I enthusiast when it comes to smart contracts? Well, it's quite simple. They can't run away with my money. Okay, it is not stuck on this project, so that's nice. Anytime that I want to retire, get out of the contract, I'm more than welcome to. And basically, I want to accumulate more BNB. Okay, so what is money tree? Money tree, you need to have your Binance connected with your MetaMask, obviously Binance Smart Chain, and obviously BNB in your MetaMask. And then what you can do is you can connect your MetaMask with your contract, and then you're good to go. So currently there is 83 account users. It is a brand new smart contract based on BNB, which is great because it helps you accumulate more BNB without the severe risk of basically losing all your finances. Okay, so BNB, I do see big potential coming for BNB. Reason being is because we are living in a world where crypto is only going to get more popular. I don't know about you, but most of the news is sprayed with crypto coming in. El Salvador is taking in Bitcoin. Quite a lot of countries are actually jumping on board in the crypto space because it's a better life and freedom, guys, freedom. No governments controlling nonsense that they try and provoke us to understand. We don't understand, okay? So anyways, getting back to money tree. Total stakes currently is 288.59 BNB. So that is quite a lot, guys. You guys can see very early still in. And you know what's nice of this is it doesn't really matter whether you're early or not in. I just feel that if you are early on board and you do invest in this project, you know, you're going to benefit from each and every person that's coming in and out of the contract. So how it works is you get charged a 10% fee, basically, from entering and exiting the contract. So what happens with that money is they will be putting 2% will be going to administration admin fee. Okay, and obviously the developers are adding more plugins to this contract. So I am aware of Cake is going to be on a million tokens. So great, I like that. So jump on board early enough to be able to make lots of gains and to grow your BNB. Okay, that is exactly what it's here for. So total earnings in pool, if you guys do see this and you have joined money tree already, what this means is basically people that haven't really taken profits or reinvested or whatever they wanted to do, it's still lying in the pool. Okay, so you guys will see this numbers influctuate and deflate also as people come in and out, people taking profits, people reinvesting, doing as they please. So that will definitely be changing. So how does it work? Okay, so I have invested, let's see, so I've invested 0.279, okay, that I staked into the thing. I am more than welcome at any given time to withdraw this. It's not stuck onto the thing. I don't choose to though, or I can add on. So I'll just basically add more BNB to it. That's what I'm definitely going to be doing. And because it's early stages, my strategy with money tree would be I'm going to reinvest every time it hits 0.1. See, I've already accumulated 0.0128 BNB, which is great because that's like my rewards, okay, for being on the contract. So every time it reaches 0.1, I will be reinvesting, which is brilliant. I like that. I want to grow my pool a little bit bigger. And like I said, each and every single person that comes into the smart contract, everybody gets paid, and when they leave, everybody gets paid. And basically what they do is with 3% of that, they will be trading and accumulating more crypto for us, which is great, and then obviously be paying us out on BNB. And obviously when the rest of the plugins come in, the other tokens come in, you know, you got your options, which is great. I like that. They do have a Discord channel. Please guys, do yourself a favor, jump on board. There is only one link, so this is not a referral commission thing that's going on here. This is basically one link to one contract, and everybody's money is everyone's money. I feel that way. So the more people come in and out, the more we accumulate. So don't tell me that I didn't tell you guys about this. So my personal opinion is, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but hey, If there's money to be made, why not? Why would you not want to make more money? So down in my description box is all the information that you need about Money-Tree, exactly how it works, and the link to basically connect your MetaMask Binance Smart Chain onto your contract, and off you go. Hope that this content was of great value to you, and I do hope that we as a community in the crypto space accumulate, we want to have a financial freedom. Who doesn't want to be free? In this crazy world that we're living with, we don't really know if we're going left or right, but all I do know is that I would love to get myself some more crypto, and if I can find passive ways on doing it, I will definitely be bringing it to you guys. Hope that this content was good, and please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.